Welcome back after the tea break. हम दोबारा शुरू करते हैं. I'll request Governor of State Bank, Mr. Watra, to kindly come on the stage and express his views. Governor, State Bank of Pakistan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chief Justice, Honorable Anwar Zahir Jamali, Chief Justice Retired Saiduzzaman Siddiqui, distinguished speakers and guests, and participants from civil society. My talk was not on the agenda today. This was Justice Siddiqui's brainwave during tea break. Like his very positive brainwave when he had to set up the National Center for Dispute Resolution. National Center for Dispute Resolution is a great concept, and I have seen their counterparts working very effectively in several markets. And today I would particularly give a reference to their counterpart in Singapore, which enjoys credibility among business players, not only within the country, but internationally. And that is a very, very busy dispute center. I could just think of few points which can help promoting our NCDR. I have seen NCDR in the market for several years now, but they have not been able to have their feet firmly placed in the marketplace. So a couple of points, which could possibly help promote this concept is: primarily, we need enabling laws which support this concept. And I believe work has been initiated in this direction, and I'll appreciate if it can be resolved soon and suitable laws are legislated to support this mechanism. And the second key point is execution of decisions. They have so far taken several decisions, but the execution has not taken place as it was agreed and desired. Somehow, these decisions by NDCR had to be made binding so that the two or more parties who have agreed to a certain conclusion of the proceedings, they execute and meet their responsibilities under that contract. Therefore, such contracts needs legal coverage and a suitable mechanism needs to be identified to give a powerful coverage to such agreements. And the third point which I would like to make is that our markets and market players lack awareness on availability of this alternate mechanism for dispute resolutions, and it should be publicized more. And also the mediators, perhaps they need more training and they need to acquire more skills. With this, I'll end my few observations. Thank you, everybody.